My name is AI Amorphix, and I am making this video just for the testing purpose, how it works. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to our channel, AI Amorphix. I hope you're doing well. It's not just mine, it's yours too. Here you can find a variety of tutorials, reviews of tools, and videos about the newest AI trends and features. This is a great channel for learning about all things AI. Today we're going to talk about Heygen, an AI-powered video creation tool that lets you make avatars of yourself. You can find it quickly by typing Heygen login into Google and clicking on the first link. You can sign up with Google after you open the site. Since I've already logged in with my paid account, let's look at the prices first. You can see that Heygen isn't free, but it's definitely worth the money. Every month, the creator plan costs $29. It comes with 2 team members, unlimited videos up to 30 minutes long, 1080p HD export, faster video processing, and access to a lot of avatars. The team plan and the enterprise plan also let you export in 4K and work with more people. I suggest that beginners start with the creator plan. Let's take a look at the dashboard now. There are a lot of tools and features on the homepage. One of them is photo to video, which turns your photo into a realistic video. Then there are quick avatar video, translate video, and product placement. Translate video lets you turn your videos into other languages like German, Arabic, Chinese, or Hindi. Just upload your video and Heygen will take care of the rest. Shopify and Amazon sellers who sell things online will find the product placement feature very helpful. You can use virtual celebrity endorsements to get the word out about your product. For example, picture Tony Robbins or Jackie Chan reviewing your sunscreen. Heygen makes a professional video with a celebrity avatar for you after you upload pictures of your product. You can also make UGC ad videos, interactive avatars, and video podcasts. You can even make a 2-person podcast by just giving them a script. Face swap, video generation, image creation, and VO 3.1 avatar videos are some of the other advanced tools that use motion design technology. Let's go to the project section now. Here are the videos I've already made with different models. If you haven't seen my recent AI Secret Agent and Leonardo AI videos, you can find links in the description or by clicking the I button. The video agent is one of Heygen's best features. You can share your script, topic, or idea, and it will make a full avatar video for you, complete with model choice, voice, and design theme. You can make professional avatar videos without having to worry about how you look, the lighting, or even problems with the internet or electricity. AI takes care of everything. Let's talk about voices now. You can use the voices that come with Heygen, but I strongly suggest adding 11 labs for voices that sound more like real people. Heygen voices are okay, but they can sound a little robotic at times, about 90% like a person. You can connect to 11 labs using an API key. If you don't know how, just leave a comment below and I'll make a video showing you how. You can also clone your own voice or import voices from 11 labs. I cloned mine and it works great for me. Next are templates, which are great for businesses and creators. You can find templates for business cards, advertising, e-commerce, education, explainer videos, social media content, and more. You just pick a template, upload your script, and Heygen will make the video for you in a few minutes. So that's a short look at Heygen, an amazing AI tool that makes it easier than ever to make avatar videos. It saves you time, looks professional, and lets you make great video content without having to buy expensive equipment or set up a professional recording studio. So, it's time to open now. Welcome to our language learning course. You can paste your script here. We will unlock the power of communication and open doors to new chances. Today we'll talk about why it's important to have language learning strategies that can help you along the way and let you use what you've learned in real life. This part changes your text into a well-organized video script by converting it scene by scene. Hey, I'm Byron, and I'm your mentor for this course. You can even change the avatar in this tool if you don't like the one that comes with it. Just pick a different character to use instead. You can also change the avatar's voice, dress, and even its facial expressions. You can change everything very easily. Just a few clicks will make your video and let you download it straight to your desktop. Let's move on to the template section now. You can find a lot of templates here for making different kinds of videos, both in portrait and landscape mode. Next, we go to the media section. You can upload videos directly from your computer from here, and the AI will automatically edit and process them for you. You can also find the notification section, which will let you know how your video is doing, such as when it is being made, when it is done, or if there are any problems while it is being rendered. You can also refer friends and get up to 10 credits when they sign up. If they sign up for a paid plan, both of you will get $15 in credit. It's a great way to help the channel. The link to join Heygen is in the description below. Clicking it also helps me make more videos like this one. Now it's time for the most important part: how to make an avatar video. A lot of people use this tool just to make avatars, but a lot of the time they don't know how to train their avatars correctly. So let's learn one step at a time. If you already have an avatar, delete it and start over. You can make a new avatar from a video or a picture. Just upload a photo and the system will start making your avatar. Click Get Started if you want to watch a video. You will see some important rules. Use the right tools and lighting. Make a video that lasts at least 30 seconds and up to 5 minutes. Stand up straight, look right at the camera, and speak clearly and naturally. Don't make big gestures or facial expressions. Just be yourself, like you're talking to a friend. The AI mostly looks at how your face and mouth move, so acting naturally works best. Upload your recording when it's done. You'll see how far along the upload is. Depending on your internet speed, it usually takes a few minutes. Click Done after that, and your avatar will start to be made. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. You can change your avatar's clothes, background colors, and even the way the scene is set up when it's ready. You can, for instance, give your avatar a blue shirt, have them sit at a study table, and have a pink or red background. You can even upload pictures to use as examples to get better results. There are a lot of different models to choose from, like Nano, Banana. I like Flex and Laura the best because they look more natural. When you make your avatar, you'll also see a checklist that checks things like the resolution of the video, at least 480p, whether your face is visible, whether the camera is stable, and whether the lighting in the background is good. You can send in your avatar once everything looks good. Let's add a script now that your avatar is ready. Type your dialogue in the script section. For instance, my name is AI Amorphix, and I'm making this video just to test it. You can choose between a clone version of your own voice or a pre-made voice like Brain, which sounds very clear and natural. You can choose how the avatar sits, moves, and talks after you've written the script. You can also choose gestures, facial expressions, and speaking style. When you're happy with it, click Generate, and the AI will start making your video. It might take a few minutes depending on how fast your internet is, but soon you'll be able to download and share your video. That's all there is to it. You now know how to use Heygen to make and change an avatar, from uploading your video to changing the voice, gestures, and background. It's easy to use, powerful, and fun-o. So, the video has been made. Let's take a look. My name is AI Amorphix, and I am making this video just for the testing purpose, how it works. You can also save this video to your computer. Thanks, let's see if our avatar has been made correctly now. Yes, this is our new avatar. The name of the new avatar is Rose. That's my avatar. You can also look at public avatars that professionals have made. There are a lot of great choices. For example, this is my own custom character named Ben, which I use a lot in my videos. It looks great and has a very refined personality. There are a lot of different AI-made characters and models out there. These faces don't exist in real life. They're all AI avatars. They are all made by computers, which makes them original and creative. Now let's make a video of a photo avatar. Yes, it's very possible, and you can do it with just one click. You can start by uploading a picture of yourself or someone else, with their permission. The tool will then make an avatar out of the picture. Let's go to the Documents folder and put a picture there. It might take a few minutes for the upload to finish. If you want to make a new avatar from your picture, you'll need to give some information. Type in the name of your avatar. I'm calling mine AI Amorphix, which is also the name of our channel. Next, you can choose your age group from the following: young adult, early middle age, late middle age, senior, or not specified. I'll go with young adult. Then choose the gender: male, female, or not specified. After that, Pick your country of origin. You can choose the right region, for example, if you live in South Asia or America. I'll pick South Asian and then hit continue. The tool will now ask you what kind of voice you want your avatar to have. I'll choose the brain voice because it's one of my favorites and sounds very real. Now the system will check your photo, which could take a little while. When it's ready, click the button that says Make Video. You can see and hear what your avatar looks and sounds like here. For instance, it could say, "Hello, I'm AI Amorphix. I'm making this photo avatar to see how it works." You can also make as many avatars as you want if you have enough credits or minutes. Because my account only has a little time left, I'll just choose this avatar and click Generate. After that, click Submit. It usually takes 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how fast your internet is. When the process is done, you can download your avatar video. After that, you can see how it looks and works. I'll show you the final product in a moment. Hi, my name is AI Amorphix, so I am making this photo avatar for testing how it works. Yes, this picture looks great. If you train the model correctly, it will work even better. You can see that it looks pretty natural, even though it might glitch a little now and then. But overall, the video still looks very real and smooth. That's all there is to it for this tools tutorial. I've been using it for about 2 months now, and to be honest, it's working really well. It has made me feel more confident about making videos, trying out new parts, and using different AI avatars. Follow me on Instagram to stay up to date, and like my Facebook page to find even more new tools that are perfect for you. Everything you need is there, from tutorials to tips to the newest AI features. That was the last review of this tool. It's not hard at all. In fact, it's very easy to use. I hope you liked this video before we end. If you liked it, don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel for more AI stuff. You can also find my review video of Leonardo AI on the end screen. There is even more information there about how Leonardo works and how to use it well. Okay, please let me sign off now. I'll see you in the next video. Stay in touch with the world of AI and take care of yourself and your family. If you ever have problems or questions about AI tools, don't hesitate to email me or leave a comment below. I'll make sure to get back to you and help you find the best answer. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care, goodbye, and I love you all.